We got some goodies in the mail today. I already opened it, but I can do a pretend unboxing for you guys, I guess. We'll just pretend I never opened it. But we ordered our 10-pound lower pulley, and it came in. Right now we currently got an 8-pound lower, but we got to up the boost because there's never enough boost. So this should raise it 2 pounds, theoretically. We'll see what we actually get from it. Oh yeah. Take off the old one and do a comparison, but pretty decent. Came with the hardware, a sticker, you know. We're also going to be doing a new idler. Mine's a little squeaky and it's really annoying. So we're going to put this 100mm billet idler to replace the 90 stock one that we have left on there. I already have a 100mm on the auxiliary, but we're going to replace this one here too. And that should actually give us a little bit more belt wrap too. So why not? Well, that was actually a little too easy to take off. I guess it doesn't have to be that tight. I don't know. I hope this is even the one that's squeaking. It's definitely worn. Yeah, it's definitely don't feel right. It's got some slop. It's very loose. Never used this shit before. See how it does. It's like a green Loctite. It's supposed to like a retention compound for your bearings. That way they don't move around in the pulley or whatever. I've never used this shit before, so we'll see what happens, I guess. It's like paste. It's like wax. Weird. It works, it works. I guess. I don't know. Just winging it. Says on the stick to put it on both surfaces, so just put a little bit in there. Especially since we have no fucking idea what we're doing. Well, we gotta find that. Where the hell did it go? I think you just saw that, or I'm just an idiot. Probably that, but most likely just that. Aha! Eureka! Gotta have some fun, man. You can't be serious all the time. I think we're in there like swimwear, broski. Still gotta take this old belt off. Completely forgot. Which is annoying without taking the fan off. Just get out of the way for now. Where's the fucking, there it is. On there. Our 8-pound lower. You see there's a little bit of a difference. About a 1/2 inch. It's hard to see on the camera for some reason, but if I line up the back edge, you can see the bottom one's a little bigger. Should be about 2 pounds of boost more.
Ryan likes to giggle. I'm a little giggly boy.
Giggle boy.
Your new nickname is Giggle Tits. How about that?
I only do half of that, or I only have half of that though.
I only do half of that.
We'll fatten you up. We'll give you some titties, boy.
No, thank you.
I fatten him up and give him titties, I will.
When you run, you'll look like one of the chicks from Baywatch.
One of us already does.
Don't talk about Cody that way. Not very nice to talk about your brother that way.
It's okay, he's not out here. You'll never know till he watches the video.
So we got the lower pulley installed. Right down there. Put the idler on, but we got some bad news. It's got a lot of play. We took it off to look at it. It's because the inside of the pulley itself is all galled up. So the bearing has a lot of play inside the pulley itself. So I went ahead and got on Metco and ordered a new one. It should be here tomorrow. So as of right now, this is how the truck sits. It's pretty much ready to go. Got the belt test fitted, fits perfect, got the right length, all that stuff. Just waiting on the new idler, take that off, pop it on. Should be ready to eat. Also made my appointment this weekend to get her all tuned up for the new boost level. Also going to be a little more aggressive of a tune. Have the man himself, Sal, from PSP Performance back in the day, getting his hands on it. So that'd be pretty cool, be able to represent PSP. He's an OG Lightning guy. real great guy, knowledgeable. They should be able to make this truck shine. So that's it for now. We'll just go ahead and leave it here. Be sure to stay tuned for when we get the other idler on, get the tune going, make some test hits, and hopefully some track days soon. But be sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more. What's to come on these builds. Truck should be up and running, and then we can get started on our Eclipse build. Got some parts over here. We're going to start ordering the intercooler and piping and all that good stuff next. It's got a few more maintenance things we got to get out of the way, some boring stuff, and then on to some fun stuff. Should be a fun little car. And of course we got the beast over here. Should be pretty quick once we get it all tuned up and ready to go.